Welcome to my channel Redline Review. Today, we're diving into a compact powerhouse that's making big waves in the farming world, the brand new Solis Mini Tractor 2025 model. If you're looking for a perfect blend of performance, durability, and modern features in a small package, stay tuned because this tractor might just be your next best investment. The Solis Mini Tractor 2025 model is designed especially for small farms, orchard operations, and gardening needs, offering both versatility and power where it matters most. It comes equipped with a robust 24-horsepower engine that delivers high torque at low RPMs, making sure you get excellent fuel efficiency without compromising on strength. Whether it's plowing, hauling, tilling, or spraying, this mini tractor handles all tasks with ease. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its sleek yet rugged design. The bold, aerodynamic bonnet not only gives it a fresh, stylish look but also ensures better engine cooling. The compact build allows for easy maneuverability even in tight spaces, making it ideal for vineyards, orchards, and small landholdings where bigger tractors can struggle. The Solis 2025 model comes with a smooth transmission system, offering 6 forward and 2 reverse gears. This ensures a wide range of speed options for different tasks, providing both flexibility and control. The steering is effortless, and the tractor features oil-immersed brakes, ensuring maximum safety even in tough working conditions. Plus, its comfortable, ergonomic seating and easy-to-reach controls make sure that long working hours feel less tiring. When it comes to lifting, this little beast surprises everyone. With a lifting capacity of up to 750 kilograms,